Okay, Nick. So, in order for you to win your soccer game, you need to know Newton's three laws of motion. So,
Gee, I don't think I know those. Do you think you could teach me them?
yeah, sure. So, Newton's first law states that an object at rest, such as this ball, will stay at rest unless acted upon an unbalanced force like you. So, an example to give you is you are going to kick the ball because you are the unbalanced force and you can move it. Okay?
All right.
Sound good?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
That is Newton's first law.
Newton's second law is bigger objects with more mass require more force. So,
Force to move.
force to move, yeah. So what I mean by that is if I want to push Nick and try to push him to make him have a lot of acceleration, it's going to require a lot of force. Why? Because he has a lot more mass on him.
So let's try this out.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. So, he barely moves like a foot. Now, if I try shooting this ball and moving it, if I use the same amount of force, it's going to go much further because there's less mass. Find the other.
I know what it is.
Wait, what are the other words? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Here. Now we're going to talk about the third law of Newton's motion. Newton's third law of motion.
Third law of motion.
Yeah. Okay. So, the third law states that every action has a reaction, such as when Nick is going to hit me with a ball, it's going to have a reaction and I'm going to have an action. The action is going to be I'm going to probably move back a bit, and the reaction is the ball is going to go that way or push back.
Stand there and let me hit you.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Get back. That's good.
Go. Ow.
As we can see, that was the third law.
Oh, dang, that hurt. Ah, dang.
I think I like the third law the best.
Yeah, okay, so the third law, so if you watch that, or if you saw that, the ball went the other way. That was a reaction. The action was I fell back because the ball pushed me. So that is reaction and action. Now we're going to talk about velocity, momentum, and balanced forces. Okay. So,
And inertia too.
oh yeah, inertia as well. Okay. Nick, do you know what inertia is?
I think so, but I don't really know how to explain it.
Okay. Inertia is, well, first I'll give you an example. Have you ever been in a car and the brakes just really stop you really fast?
Yeah, and you hit the seat.
Yeah, and you go forward?
Yeah.
That's inertia.
Oh,
So,
now I think I know how to give you an example.
okay, can you
I
give
just
me an
remembered.
example?
This ball is resting on my hand. If I pull my hand away quickly, the ball will fall and fall under the same spot that I released my hand from.
Go.
That
So,
ball had inertia.
here, scoot back. So, can you show them again? Scoot back. Okay, do it again, Nick. Yeah, that is inertia. Now we'll talk about velocity and momentum. Do you know what velocity is?
Is it the given amount of... Oh, dang. I think you should help me on this one, too.
Okay, so this is what velocity is. If you guys remember our FET simulators, velocity
Is it the amount of speed in a given direction?
Yeah, that's what it
I
is.
remembered it.
Okay, good. So, this ball will have a velocity going that way, or more velocity, when Nick hits it into the goal. Okay, do it? Okay, so Nick is going to hit it into the goal and show us how velocity looks like. Go ahead, Nick.
that ball had a certain amount of speed in a given direction, which is the goal. So now we're going to talk about momentum. Momentum is...
Do you know what momentum is? Momentum is when a mass is in motion, it has momentum. So when I'm kicking this ball and it's in motion, it has momentum.
So we're going to show how it can knock over this water bottle.
Okay.
Put
it down.
That ball had a lot of
Yeah,
momentum.
Okay.
Now we're going to show something with little momentum. So could you set the water bottle back up?
Yeah, sure. And then I'll also hit. Okay.
This ball is going to have a very small amount of momentum.
Yeah. Okay. So momentum again is mass in motion. That's what momentum is. So Nick, now we're just gonna shoot a while and then we'll see if we can have different amounts of momentum, okay?
All right.
Okay. And then you'll be ready for your soccer game. Okay?
All right.
Yeah, let's go. I'll shoot first. On the goal. On the goal. Nick, you look like an idiot.
As you can see, the applause is cheering loudly for a goal he just scored.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know, I think I'm ready for my soccer game. You can see.